Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to change language on Likee apps. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the Likee app on your phone. Secondly, tap the three lines in the top right in the corner of your screen. Then, in the bottom, you will see the settings option. Just tap on it. In the settings page, open language here. And finally, select the language you want to change to. Here I'm gonna try Indonesia. And now tap OK. And yeah, you change the language in the Likee app. But let's try something more visible with the same steps. You can also see more language by scrolling down. And here I'm gonna choose Arabic and tap OK. Yeah, just it. You can see it now more clearly. So guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!